Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix no sound during calls on the REALME P3. So the first thing that we're going to try is to check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So if you're on a call and you're not hearing anything, try to increase the volume by using the side buttons. So like this, just do that during a call and see if it's just the muted sound that was the problem. So the next thing that you could do is to disable Bluetooth to disable all of the connected items. So maybe you have earbuds connected that the sound has maybe switched to, so just make sure to disable Bluetooth and check if the sound has returned to your call. Then another thing that you could try is to test with another app like WhatsApp or Messenger or any other app that you use. So test that out to see if the problem maybe is in the calling app itself. The next thing that you could do is restart the smartphone by holding the power and volume up buttons at the same time until this menu appears. So you just try again. There we go. And just slide up to restart your phone. And the last thing that you could do is to reset the network settings by going to Settings, scroll down to System and Updates, press Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and then Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. So here you're gonna have to verify your identity and just press Reset, and that will start resetting your network settings. And that might also help because all of the settings will be reverted to their default state. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.